I'm gonna be opening these really hard 3 puzzle boxes, and they're just really hard to open. We're starting off with this one. First, you pretty much just have to just turn it slowly until it just opens like there. Then put this one back. Then pull this up, and it just goes out. And you can take this one off just for extra. Moving on. This one's pretty much the hardest one yet. Well, not the hardest one, but this. It took me and my dad a while to figure out how to open these two. But just turn it over. Well, first you see that it can't go. Turn it over. It can just go right out. And it's open. The last one, I find the pretty much hardest. Because, I mean, you not only have to turn it over, but you actually have to turn it over all the way over here and make sure that it goes to at least right here. Then pull this up, then slide this over. And that is pretty much how to get these out.
Not yet, what? Keep going? Alright.
Also, make sure to always put this one in first on, well, this will happen.
Doesn't go.
That's what will happen if you don't put this part in first, then put this in, and last, put this in. Then still slide it, and now can't open it. Bye.